Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm really excited because I'm trying two new drugstore products that I've not tried before. If you guys watch my channel, you would know that most of the products that I use, as in like skin base, foundation, concealer, are always high-end products. I've never been able to get something in the drugstore because either it didn't have the correct shade or undertone for me, or I just didn't like the formula. But now it looks like we might have something that will just do the job for me, so we're going to try it out today for the first time. Before I get right into that, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stick around and click that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it as well, and why not come back, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my next videos to come. So let's get right into it. So the product that I'm talking about, which you guys mostly know about maybe, is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Now I was pretty shocked when I saw this. I saw it on my feed and I was like, oh, what's this? Obviously L'Oreal coming out with a new product, and this is the only foundation that has the most amount of shades. I think they have about either 23 or 26 shades. For a drugstore, I can say it's quite surprising, but then again, a lot of other companies are really stepping it up. Like Makeup Revolution have come up with a lot of shade. They even expanded their shade range, and I mean, that's a drugstore product, so I guess 26, 23 is not that great, but they are making an effort. It's a step towards the right direction, so I'm going to be trying this. The shade that I got is 340 Copper, and I'm also going to be trying the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX Cosmetics. I was going to try the concealer version in this, but I didn't like the undertone, and when I saw this, the undertone seemed pretty good. By the way, this is out in Superdrug but only online, so I actually went to Boots and they have a NYX store there, so I picked this up from Boots, and I picked this up from Boots as well, but Superdrug also have it as well. I've already primed my face with my favourite primer, which is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Absolutely love it. My skin is combination skin. I have been leaning more to the dry side recently, maybe because obviously it's been cold. Oily areas have been around here, a bit on my forehead, and just a tiny bit on my nose here. I used to get really oily on my chin, but not as much anymore. I really hope that it's a good match for me. From what I swatched in the stores, this was the best match for me, so let's give it a go. I'm just going to put a little bit on my chest. It comes with a pump as well. Happy days, happy days. So it looks a little bit warm. I have a mixture between olive and golden. Sorry if you guys can't see that properly. I've just put that on my chest. I put it right here and it seems to blend in pretty well, so I'm hoping it will be a good match. I usually match my foundations to my chest because my face is a lot darker. After shaking it, it does sound like it's a bit of a watery, runny foundation, but let's see how it looks. So one pump seems to be quite generous. This is one pump, and obviously it is quite runny, so that's it there. I will do a wear test as well to see how long it lasts for, how it looks on the skin after a couple of hours, etc, etc. So let's have a look. This is just one pump, by the way. I prefer to apply my foundation like this because then I'm not using more than I need to. Less has been more for me recently, so let's see, we'll see. We will see. I hope it matches. It does have a scent to it, but it's a very, very faint scent. It's very light. It's not a strong scent, and it's quite nice as well. I'm going to blend it out with my trusty beauty blender. So it's quite sheer so far. I mean, it's called Fresh Wear, so for me, I just kind of realised that by the name Fresh Wear, it's not going to be cakey or anything like that. That looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's so lightweight, looks very natural. The shade seems to be pretty good as well. I do have a bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so that's the area that I tend to go over. I'm kind of feeling like it's drying up just a little bit quicker, so I guess I probably should have done my the lower part of my face before the upper part of my face, but it's okay. Obviously I need to go in with another layer, but this is one layer so far. Compared to the other shades, this is the best match that I was able to find. It's honestly not so bad. I'm going to go in with another layer and see what that looks like. So this is my second pump. Some people might prefer to apply it with a brush. However, I apply everything with my beauty blender. I just find that it works best for me, and I prefer the coverage that it gives than a brush. I honestly think it looks really nice. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. This is one of those foundations that you could wear literally every day. It just looks amazing on the skin. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is drugstore. This is my first, is it my first? I'm trying to think if I've ever tried L'Oreal before, because I've never I've never reached for drugstore foundations because the shade range has never been great for my skin tone and my undertone. But this is absolutely amazing. Just look at that, please. I can see it's a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth, but it's not a big deal. But right now, I'm really, really loving it. This is just the lower part of my face that I've done and it looks amazing. I'm really impressed with this. Okay, so I've just done my full face. I've not brought it all the way down to my neck, but just like I've brought it down here, and this bit I haven't. I do have hyperpigmentation on my neck as well. But guys, can we just take a look, please? How flawless is this looking? I can't believe it. L'Oreal, you really stepped it up. It just looks amazing, honestly. I love it. It looks so nice. This is my kind of coverage. I love the coverage. I love that it's lightweight. It doesn't look cakey or anything like that. It's just beautiful. It looks beautiful on the skin. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm really, really impressed right now. This looks amazing. Right, let's go in with the concealer. Some people have probably already tried it, but I've never tried it before. The shade that I got is Mahogany. I know NYX dries out pretty fast from my experience with the foundation, so I'm only going to do section by section. Okay, so I really like the colour. The colour looks good. Yeah, I love the undertone of this shade. I find that the two shades complement each other in terms of the foundation and the concealer, and for me that's quite important. Like, the foundation and the concealer shade really have to bounce off each other, otherwise yeah, it's going to be a bit of an issue for me. Some people may like a brighter highlighted look. For me, this is fine. Oh, I'm really liking this. It feels really, really good, guys. Feels really nice and creamy. Let me just blend it out and we'll see. So this is what it's looking like now. Anyways, I'm going to finish the rest of my face, come back, and then we'll just summarize a little bit. Be right back. Okay, so I've just done the rest of my face. I'm gonna go about my day, do what I need to do, come back, and I will show you guys the way it looks. So far, I really like the way it wears. My face does not feel cakey at all. One thing I did notice is that my chest is still a tiny bit lighter than the foundation, so I think if I was a little bit more tan, then it would be a perfect match, just because the undertone is a little bit off in terms of how warm it is. And I have a mixture of a golden and olive undertone, but it's still a good match, and out of all of the other foundation shades, this was the best match that I had. So I guess if it's a big deal for some of you, if your skin tone is similar to mine, you can balance it out with your concealer. But other than that, it's still pretty good. But we are gonna test this out and see what it looks like. Not gonna wear it for 24 hours, but I will wear it for a couple of hours, and then we'll judge it and see what it really looks like. I'll see you guys very soon. So I'm back after a full day's wear. I've been wearing this makeup for 11 hours, and I have to say, I am very impressed. The foundation is called Fresh Wear. So first of all, it did not cake up on me. It looked very natural like skin, even after 2 layers. After 11 hours, this is what I'm looking like. Obviously, I told you guys I have combination skin. I've got a ring light in front of me and lights all over me, so that obviously ignites the shine on my face. Bit oily on the T-zone, very minimal here. My smile lines are usually a lot worse than what they're looking like right now. My under eye creasing from the concealer, to be honest, I did yawn a lot because I was very tired today, so I had a few tears drip down my face, but I still think it looks really, really nice. The star of the show is obviously the foundation. The concealer is very, very good as well, so I would definitely recommend both of them. I think this is definitely going to be my new everyday foundation. If you guys haven't tried it already, make sure you go out and get it. And they're out in stores. Superdrug and Boots have them. If not, check online. What do you guys think, actually? Because I know some of you have probably already gone out to get it. If you do have it, please let me know what your thoughts have been. Apparently there's a matte version as well. I I'm not sure about that one, but this is one that I'm definitely going to be wearing every day. I absolutely love this foundation and it looks amazing on the skin. So that's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!